Most people think plumbers make decent money. The real numbers are bigger than decent. Today I'm breaking down exactly what plumbers earn at every single stage of this career. Apprentice, journeyman, master, business owner, real numbers. No exaggeration. Here's the problem with most plumber salary content online. It either lowballs you with one flat number, or it exaggerates with a headline that ignores how long it actually takes to get there. I'm going to give you the real tiered breakdown. What you actually earn in year one, what you earn once you're licensed, what you earn at the top of the trade, and what's actually possible if you build your own business. Every number is backed by current BLS data and industry sources. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where the real money in plumbing lives. Before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe. All right, let's break it down. Tier 1, apprentice. Let's start at the beginning. An apprentice plumber works under the supervision of a licensed journeyman or master while learning both on the job and in the classroom. Here's the honest pay picture. According to BLS, apprentice wages typically start at 40 to 50% of the journeyman rate. In real dollars, that puts most first-year apprentices at $35,000 to $46,000 annually. Some markets start as low as $30,000 in year one. Here's the part that matters the most about the tier. Your pay increases every year of the apprenticeship as you accumulate supervised hours. By year 3 or 4, most apprentices are earning $52,000 to $70,000. That's a genuine scheduled raise, not a hope, not a maybe. And here's the comparison most people miss. While a college student is paying tuition and accumulating debt, the plumbing apprentice is earning a real wage the entire time. 4 to 5 years later, the apprentice has zero student debt and a license. The college graduate often has both debt and no guaranteed job. That's the real starting math of this trade. The cost of guessing, training for the wrong trade, can cost you thousands of dollars and a year of your life. I've seen it happen. That's why I want you to check out Course Careers before you do anything else. They've got an AI career counselor named Coura, and she'll match you to the right fit based on your goals, your personality, your lifestyle. HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, supply chain coordinator. She knows the difference and she'll point you in the right direction. Then you start the free intro course, zero experience required, and get a real feel for the career before you spend a dime on training. Students have gone from zero to high-paying careers in as little as 4 to 12 weeks. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Stop guessing. Let Coura do the math. Tier 2, journeyman. Here's where most plumbers spend the bulk of their career and where the real earning sweet spot of the trade lives. A journeyman license means you can work independently, pull permits in most states, and supervise apprentices. Here's the documented pay picture. The national average journeyman plumber earns $69,000 per year, or roughly $34 an hour, according to current industry salary data. The full range runs from $55,000 to $95,000, depending on your market, your specialty, and whether you're union or non-union. Here's the number that surprises people. The BLS reports the top 10% of all plumbers, which includes many journeymen, earn over $105,000 annually as employees alone. That's not a business owner number. That's a wage. Specializations move the needle significantly at this tier. Medical gas installation pays $75,000 to $95,000. Industrial pipe fitting work pays $72,000 to $95,000, sometimes higher. Backflow testing and tankless water heater certifications add real premium pay on top of standard journeyman rates. And here's the number that most salary guides leave out entirely: overtime and emergency calls. A journeyman taking even one emergency call per week, plus a couple of weekend shifts a month, can add $12,000 to $18,000 a year on top of base pay. Emergency and after-hour work typically pays 1.5 to 2 times the standard rate. That overtime income is real, and it's available to almost every journeyman willing to take the calls. Tier 3, master plumber. Here's the top of the employee pay scale in this trade. A master plumber license requires several additional years beyond journeyman status, plus passing an advanced licensing exam. This is the credential that lets you design and oversee plumbing systems, pull permits independently, and legally run your own plumbing business. Here's the documented pay picture. The average master plumber earns $80,000 per year, or about $38 an hour. Top earners as employees are clearing $92,000 to $118,000. Master plumbers working as foremen or project managers at an established mechanical contractors typically land in the $80,000 to $100,000 range. Here's the geographic factor that matters enormously at this tier. Illinois plumbers earn a median of $96,000. West Virginia plumbers earn $49,000 for the same license, the same skill, nearly half the pay. Location is one of the single biggest variations in this entire trade. Union status matters just as much. Union journeymen and masters through the United Association typically earn 20 to 35% higher base wages than non-union plumbers in the same market. Add a pension, employers paid health insurance, and guaranteed apprenticeship raises every 6 months, and a total union compensation often significantly exceeds what the wage data alone shows. Real quick, what would your life look like if your income wasn't tied to a location, a schedule, or a boss? My brother Shane built the content growth engine to answer that question. A simple proven system for growing a YouTube channel and earning a full-time income in less than 4 hours a week. I joined as a member myself. Month 1, a $214 day. Month 5, $519 in a single day. And it just keeps building from there. No experience required, just a decision to start. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. Your freedom is waiting. Tier 4, business owner, and here's where the real ceiling of this trade actually lives. A master plumber who builds their own business, even a small operation, typically out-earns an employed master plumber by a wide margin. Here's the honest range, broken down by business size. Small owner-operators running solo or with 1 or 2 employees often earn $50,000 to $100,000 net, roughly aligned with the senior employed plumber. Sometimes less once you factor in business risks. That's an important honesty check most start your own business content skips entirely. Owning a business doesn't automatically mean more money in year 1, but established firm with multiple crews, commercial contracts, and emergency service agreements frequently clear $150,000 to $250,000 or more. The top performing plumbing business owners, the ones with efficient operations, strong crews, and recurring maintenance contracts, are documented well above $200,000. Here's what actually separates the 70,000 business owners from the 200,000 business owner. It's not how many hours they personally work with a wrench in their hand. It's whether they've built a business that runs on systems, recurring customer relationships, and a trained crew, rather than one that requires the owner on every single job. The plumber who escapes the lead-free treadmill, paying $50 a lead to third-party apps and waiting days to get paid, and instead own their own customer relationships directly, tend to out-earn the ones who don't, often by a significant margin.
Quick break here. We'll check out which trade is good for you. You can access the free course in the link below.
The honest summary, let's put this entire ladder together. Apprenticeship, $35,000 to $46,000 in year 1, climbing to $52,000 to $70,000 by year 4. Journeyman, $55,000 to $95,000, with overtime and specialization pushing well past $100,000 for many master plumbers. $75,000 to $118,000 as an employee. Business owner, $50,000 to $250,000 plus, depending entirely on how the business is built. The full realistic range across this entire career path runs from roughly $35,000 at the very start to $250,000 or more at the top of the business ownership. That's not a small range. That's nearly a 7 times difference between where you start and where this trade can actually take you. And here's the part that matters most. You earn a wage at every single stage of that climb. No tuition, no student debt, just years of skill building, licensing milestones, and for the people who want to go further, a real business at the end of it. Quick break here. If you're sitting here wondering which trade is actually right for you specifically, I built a free 5-minute tool that walks you through it. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Look, plumbing pays a lot better than most people assume, and the real numbers prove it. Apprentice, journeyman, master, business owner. Every single tier has a documented honest pay range. and the ceiling at the top is genuinely impressive. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment. Which tier are you in right now? I want to know where you're at on this ladder. I read every single one. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.
If you need to learn a trade, go to Zach of all trades.